Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Google Pixel 9 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Ringke Onyx case that they have made for your beautiful Pixel 9 Pro XL. I need to give a shout out to Ringke for sending this case out to me for a review. They sent me one out in black, their color mint, and then also the army or dark green color version. We'll test out and look at each one later in the video, but I probably will just review the one in black. Like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? Do you get camera and lip protection? The overall fit? Does it add bulk? Is it a heavy case? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. We'll make sure the buttons feels good too. Nice presentation from Ringke. It says live a better day. So just go out there and live a better day, y'all. Just live a better day. Change people's lives. Tell them hi. Tell them good morning, good afternoon. Just by saying hi to someone, you can make their day. So you have a little Ringke logo at the bottom there. You have a Ringke logo here. Listen to this. So you have that grip. The Onyx cases are known for that grip on there. And then look on the back, it has like this little camera cutout there, or even like this little plastic for the camera cutout. It is a TPU kind of case, it's not hard, but it will protect your investment though. You have a ridge power button there, and then the volume rockers. So the first thing I noticed, look at that camera cutout and how much it's protected there. You also look at the protection you get. You have lip protection from the top and the bottom there. The power button feels great. Yeah, the power button is nice and easy to press. The volume rockers are nice and tactile also. I love the grip. I mean, this case will not come sliding out your hands at all. Everything lines up at the bottom there. Everything lines up at the top. Man. Doesn't add bulk. I mean, look at it there. Doesn't add bulk at all. You can see the corner protection you get from each corner. You get great corner protection. And like I said, it doesn't add bulk. I mean, you can see there. The overall fit is pretty good. It could be a little bit tighter around the bottoms there. And the sides are a little bit loose, but not bad though. It comes back pretty good there. And then when you try to take it off, doesn't break your phone to take it off, but it's not easy either. So those are the two things you look for when you're trying to do these reviews or even trying to get a case. You don't want to have the phone just easily coming off, but you don't want to have to break it either. So they found a perfect medium there. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you'll have a problem. And you can wireless charge without any issue. So here's the black. Let's open up the other two. So dark green, and then you have the mint. So let's try the mint. It's going to fit the same, but that is how it's going to look. And then the dark green. I think I'm gonna like the dark green and then also the black. So which one was your favorite? The dark green, the mint, or the black? Y'all let me know in the comments. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to pick up this cases, look in the description. I will have the links there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.